Hi everyone, Sharon here at Greenland Garden Center. Recently we've been focusing on spring and summer fashion here at the store, and today I'd like to take you on a little guided tour through the store and show you all of our fabulous home decor and gifts that we carry here at the store. When you walk into Greenland, you're traditionally greeted with a display of home decor and seasonal items that I will pop into the decor to enhance this display. What I want to focus on a little bit today is trends. So this year you're seeing a lot of gold in decor, gold items like these beautiful little gold vases, gold birds, burnished gold, and a lot of mustard colors. I have mustard candles, textured pillows with some mustard in it. To add a pop of color to your decor, we have a fabulous selection of everlasting florals. The gorgeous orange and red poppies here, these fabulous geraniums, everlasting geraniums to put in your patio, a covered patio, and yeah, everlasting ferns. Great selection of everlasting florals here at the store. We also feature a variety of fragrances for your home. Candles, this is Joanna Gaines from Magnolia Home. We have two fragrances in this line. Garden and Gather are the fragrances from candles, room spray, and some Bath & Body products as well. Another thing I'd like to mention here that we offer at the store, I work in close relationship with a floral designer that makes these beautiful floral arrangements that you can change up seasonally. Here we have the gorgeous succulent arrangement. Over here we have one featuring the lilies, so a nice summer flower. And again, you'll see this change seasonally. In the fall we'll have beautiful sunflowers, a lot more gold, orange colors. And yeah, that's something that we really take pride in here at the store. You don't have to go this large. We have something a little bit smaller if you like. And just come on in and we can help you out with your area in the store. A lot of people don't realize that we carry furniture here as well. This beautiful credenza to complement your home. We don't have a lot, but we do have a few pieces of furniture, larger furniture items. Also very trendy right now are these little poofs that you would just pop out for someone to sit on in your home, and lots of fabulous artwork, and you'll see that throughout the store as well. We carry a variety of food product here at the store. Great things for summer, some drink mixes, our favorite garlic expressions, salad dressing, and again a variety of some fun summer napkins for the picnic or when you're hostessing a summer barbecue. This is very colorful in here. I love this area. A great way to enhance your home with for summer, with a great little sign with some color in it. Makes a great gift. Over here we have a nice selection of these great little lamps that light up. Giftables for teachers' gifts. We sold some. Great for a little girl's bedroom. Really nice. And again, all the summer signs. Welcome to my garden. Lots of birds, butterflies. Again, showing some of our everlasting florals. This beautiful snapdragon looks so real. Just some really great items in here as well. This is a nice little summer cushion. Pop it in a display and change it up seasonally. Or if these are the colors in your home, just you can keep that out year round. Lots of table runners. And I want to point out, even though this area is a little bit gifty, we have beautiful home decor pieces in here as well. I take pride in a lot of our artwork that we carry here at the store. This beautiful piece up top, you're seeing a lot of texture in these canvases. We sell a lot of artwork, and then beautiful mirrors. Again, another credenza over here, and some gorgeous floral arrangements again from our designer here at the store. Moving along, we're at the back of the store now. As I said before, we have over 10,000 square feet of home decor and fashion here, so a big space to fill with all this beautiful product. Nautical or seaside is a really popular item here. We sell a lot of this product to people that perhaps have a sunroom, a summer cottage. They will often decorate their bathroom with nautical product. So we, again, another beautiful floral arrangement. The art piece, as I mentioned before, with all of the texture in it. You're seeing some grass, this fencing. We carry a variety of this artwork from a fabulous company. Placemats, these round, beautiful, wipeable placemats in the soft blues. Nautical, you'll often see the blues and creams, some mint greens. That's a great color palette, so it does not have to be for a sunroom. If this is the color palette that you have in your home, it would work fabulous. Again, another beautiful furniture piece. People don't know. We sell these beautiful furniture pieces here at the store. I get them in from the US. They're gorgeous, priced reasonably. And I want to focus a little bit on these vases. These are all made in Mexico. Recommended for inside only, and they're just a beautiful accent piece for your home. Moving along to more of a giftable area in the store, one of my favorite lines that we carry here is a company called Pine Tree Innovations. They do a lot of quotable items, from wine glasses to signs to travel mugs. Makes a great gift for yourself or a friend. Something like this, welcome to our beautiful chaos. Even after all this time, you are still you, I am still me, and we are still us forever in love. Just a great little gift. Life is beautiful, different sizes, different shapes. Some of their travel wine glasses. If you're happy and you know it, it's the wine. Something fun to give a friend. One of our best-selling items here at the store are these fabulous touch lamps. They come in a variety of sizes, 2 colors. The smaller ones come in the copper. We have a variety of sizes in the silver. These are fabulous for your decor, a little guest bedroom. You just touch, tap, they come on and off. An assortment of prices, like I said, and sizes. Silver seems to be our more popular one, but we sell a lot of the copper as well. Metal art, we have a variety of metal art here in the store. This could go outside if you treated it in your garden, but I think it looks fabulous in a home. Again, another beautiful arrangement made here at the store with some succulents and some tropical flowers. This is an area of the store that I really didn't want to pass by. This is our memorial area. It's quite extensive. We sell a lot of items from this area. We have beautiful, meaningful, tasteful items in this area, from beautiful angels in various sizes, and some really nice inspirational stepping stones. Something like this, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day. A great gift for someone or for yourself that you need to have. This little one, they come in variety of sizes, forever in our hearts. This is an area that I just did not want to forget to let you know what we offer here for those that we've lost. Thank you for joining me today. I really hope to see you in the store sometime. What I showed you today is just a really small little tour of what we have to offer here. If I can be of any assistance with home decor, your gift needs, please email me at sharon@greenlandgarden.com or give me a call here at the store. Thank you so much for joining me.